If a and b are the roots of x squared plus 5x minus 14 equals 0, find the value of a plus 1 times b plus 1. Okay? First step, you are going to get the roots of x squared plus 5x minus 14 equals 0. Kunin muna natin ang roots ng quadratic equation. Okay, gamit ang ating factoring. Okay, what will be the value of our, or the factors? First, we have that is plus 7 and minus or negative 2. Okay, these are the factors of x squared plus 5x minus 14 using the factoring method. Now, get the roots of quadratic equation. We're going to equate it to 0. X plus 7 equals 0. Then x minus 2 equals 0. What will be the roots? We have negative 7 and positive 2. Okay, now, hindi na ngayon natin problema ang value ng A, alin dito yung A at value ng B. Why? Kasi parehas lang naman na plus 1. Okay, therefore, negative 7 plus 1 and 2 plus 1. Okay, what will happen? Negative 7 plus 1 is negative 6 times 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore, the value of a plus 1 times b plus 1 is negative 6 times positive 3 is negative 18. Therefore, the final answer here is negative 18. Negative 18 is the final answer.